Hi guys. Yesterday, I know that we had a little bit of trouble with naming the angles, and so I wanted to go ahead and clear that up today. If you look here, we have a couple of different angles, and they still are both angle A, B, C, right? They have their starting point here at this B, and then they go off in two different directions. Now, the deal is that we name angles by their vertex, and their vertex is that pointy part. So here we could call this just angle B because it's the only angle that starts at B. Unfortunately, not all angles are like that, as we saw today. So here, there are four angles, 1, 2, 3, 4, that have a vertex at B. And so that's where it gets a little bit tricky. We have to name these with 3 different letters. Now, on your IXL, sometimes they, called it angle 1 or angle 2 or whatever. But that's not always going to be that way. And you have to be able to name them using their letters. So we're still going to have this B here. That's going to be very important. And when we name angles using 3 letters, we have to make sure that the vertex is in the middle. So this angle over here starts at A and goes through B, turns around and goes to C. And so we can call that angle ABC. We could also call it angle CBA, as long as the B is in the middle of those 3 letters. So we're going to do one more example. Here, this one looks a little bit like what you guys saw today. So here we have X, Y, Z, W, T, and V. And I want to know what is the name of this angle. And so I know that it's going to have Z in the middle. So angle something, Z something. But there's so many angles here, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's 5 of them. So angle Z is not just this one, because there's so many different angles that have their vertex at Z. So I pick one of the starting sides, and then I fill in the other 2 spots. So goes through Y, has the pointy part at Z, and then goes through W. Great. I could also call this angle WZY, as long as the vertex point is the middle of the name. All right, so what I want you to do is I want you to continue with lesson 16 on IXL, the same one from yesterday, and I would like you to complete it. If you started working on it yesterday, I don't know if it'll save your spot, but whenever I went to do the problems really quick, it was, I don't know, maybe 5 minutes until I had 100% mastery. Of course, I'm the teacher, but what I mean is that, sorry, I lost my marker cap. What I mean is that if you practice with it yesterday and you're familiar with those first few types of problems, then I don't think that it will take you very long at all. All right, so please go ahead and do that, and I will see you tomorrow, and we'll do another extension on this. So you guys have a great rest of the day, and we'll see you.